at Sycamore Canyon in Malibu. Gonna go up the Overlook Fire Road, going up the Overlook Trail. I did go to Alaska over here 2 or 3 months ago, but I decided to go up this route and see what it's like on this side of Sycamore Canyon. It's a nice Saturday morning, 74 degrees or 75 degrees. Very good atmosphere right now with the weather. Yeah, this is Overlook.
Okay, Overlook, and I'm here with George, just get back from Utah.
Yeah.
But he's so gun ho right now. And then we have Carlos. He's on eco mode in the back. Struggle mode. He's trying to burn.
Yeah, crazy uphill.
Doesn't look that steep, but it is.
Yeah, in videos it's not steep, but in person that's a whole nother story.
Why does the camera do that?
I don't know.
Weird, right?
Yeah, it's a great view out here. Just loving looking at scenery like this. It's amazing.
Come on, Georgie. You can do it, Georgie.
Yeah, of course I can.
Wait till you see the background now.
Oh yeah? Oh wow. That's a nice background. Man, coming out to Malibu or some type of trail that's next to the ocean in Cali, it's breathtaking. I mean, every region of the US offers great different types of scenery all around. And I want to see every single type there is. But we'll see in the near future. Don't be deceived, guys. This is a really steep uphill. May not look like it in video, but you gotta come up here and get your uphill ride on. So you can go to downhill happy and ready to shred. It may be 80 degrees right now or 75 degrees, but when you come out to places like this, you'll definitely feel the air glistening through your face in between these mountains. So it's worth it. Yeah, we made it to the top portion of this gruesome trail going uphill, and now we get to go a little bit down, right, Eddie?
That's right, brother.
Yeah.
That's right.
Yeah, for sure. Just for a little period, and then we go up, I'm sure. Yeah. Still beautiful. Hi there.
How you doing?
Pretty good, you?
Good.
Nice.
How you doing, buddy? This is nice. Not real bad. Alright. Should have brought the grill.
I know.
We need the barbecue grill.
Oh yeah, the
An umbrella. Is that the name of the trail? Fire Lane Trail? Yeah, but no bikes on there.
oh,
Oh, no bikes?
dang.
Now I want to do it.
I know, right? What do you mean it's not meant for bikes?
Take the sticker off.
I know, right? Still on the Overlook Fire Road, huh? Oh, they go up again.
George got it.
Oh yeah, I do got it. Well, I don't know about that. You're passing me right away.
I think it's an e-bike. I don't think it's me.
Oh, I know. You can do it.
You can do it. You can do it.
Like Shia LaBeouf says. But yeah, being in Utah last week, it was a dream of a lifetime for me. I've never been to riding out in Utah, let alone being in Utah. So getting a chance to do that, I'm so happy. I hope I could do more of it in the future. So far I did Gem Trail, that's one, and then I did Pyramid Ridge, then I went over to Bryan Head, that's three like this. Then I did, what's the fourth one? Oh yeah, Gooseberry Mesa. Those are 4 great trails around the St. George / Cedar City area in Utah. I'm planning maybe I'll go there either around December when it's holiday season, or I don't know, sometime in the future. Still uphill, huh?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, I love the challenge.
You're right, like you have an e-bike.
Oh yeah? Yeah, a little bit. Nice over here. God, that's a nice view right there. Beautiful. Okay, so it's starting to look a little bit like Arizona here with all these red rocks. I didn't think there would be anything like this around where I live, at least in LA. But apparently there is. I still choose southern Utah or Arizona. Another great view. In fact, you get so many great views all around this trail. It's amazing seeing all this right here. Man, the wind is starting to pick up really fast. Damn, but it makes up for the hot weather. Well, it's 80, but if it were 90, I think this breeze would have been very helpful by then. Ooh, do I see a downhill? Nice. Oh, shit. Yeah. That's what I'm talking about. Feeling the wind in my face, feeling the bugs in my teeth, mosquitoes in my eyes. Continuing down. Yeah.
All right, let's do it, brother. Yeah. Let's go.
Can't forget the fist bumps.
Okay.
Going down the Backbone Trail here at Sycamore Canyon in Malibu. Good weather right now, just loving the wind. So I think I have to go left when I approach this orange plastic fence thingy. Okay, and it's the only way. Let's go down. Ooh, nice. That's good flow. Okay, sandy parts. A little bit of wall ride. Yeah. Super windy. Another wall ride. Yeah. Man, it's so sandy at some parts. Woo-hoo. Okay, going down, yay! Whoa, yeah! Sick. Ooh. Some parts are sketchy. Oh, nice. It's pretty nice so far here. Okay. Good flow over here. I approve. sandy again, that part. Okay, more technical parts. Yeah. Sick. This is my kind of trail, all flow. Sandy a little bit. Okay. Going down still. Yeah. Okay. Oh shit. Some parts are sandy, so have good judgment and go slow at the parts where it's sandy or loose, such as somewhat here. Yeah. Ooh, that was a good one. Yes. Oh my god, yeah. Okay. Oh, nice. Yes. Oh, yeah, I think we made it. Yes. Okay. Sick. So I went up that way for Guadalaska Trail, but we just came from there. Looks good. I love it.
What do you think?
It's amazing.
Awesome, huh?
Yeah.
That was awesome, man.
Yeah.
That was fantastic. Backbone trail, man.
For sure. I would hit this again. Yeah, it's good.
I got tired, man. On the halfway.
Oh yeah.
My hands are tired. My legs. Shit.
All right.
Yeah, this is perfect.
I agree.
I mean, for me, it's just right there with my skills.
All right.
Yeah, I had to take it easy. I was probably like at 70%.
You were going pretty fast. I couldn't catch. I wanted to record him, but it was like it disappeared.
Oh, I see.
Yeah, man, Big Bear will make you a better rider.
Oh, I agree.
We gotta go next year, man, for sure.
Snow Summit.
Yeah.
It's exactly what you like. You know, go up, jump, right? Jump, fly.
You never been?
Jump, fly,
No.
jump,
What?
fly.
I would like
Dude,
to.
that's like bike park heaven.
That's
I
heaven.
know, right?
Yeah.
I would like to get used to the bigger tables.
Nah, they're small. They're small jumps there.
Oh, they have
Yeah.
tables. Oh, yeah.
They have small jumps.
I'll get used to the smaller ones. Going back.
Look at the creeks are dry.
Oh yeah, cause
Notice that?
yeah, the creeks were dry.
That's good.
That is.
I feel like getting wet.
I know, right? But I remember 2-3 months ago when we were last here, there was a lot of water there. So I wonder why right now it's no water. don't like the water here. Oh snap. Oh, oh. Damn. Soaking wet. More streams. Oh my god. Nice waterfalls there. More streams coming up. Oh my god. Oh. Okay, here we go, dipping in. Oh, that's my favorite part of this whole trail. It's getting soaked into that. Let's get soaked more. Yeah. Oh my god. At least this one doesn't have water in it. Oh. And we have made it back. Great ride today. Nice, love it.
It would be cool to camp here one weekend with all these trails.
Yeah, it would be.
And then go to the beach.
I definitely want to do that. Ride here in the morning and then go to the beach later. Malibu State Park. Oh, whoa. Nice. Wow, beautiful. Yeah. Great. Oh, nice. Guys ever come to Sycamore Canyon? Stop at the sandy dunes right here because it's breathtaking to go up this. Such a nice view of the ocean. It's very beautiful over here.